Thank you so much for joining us today. Please introduce yourself, your role in the MK Party, and reflections of the year that was.
Mzikayise Ntshingila from Greater Joburg region, deployed by MK Party as a member of the National Assembly, sitting in all administrative committees and the Defense and the Department of Trade and Industry and Intelligence. It's been a very, very difficult, long year and a journey. For us to be here today, it's really a relief, and thus we are excited and happy to organize, traverse the country and the province, including the region of eThekwini, to say people must come and form part of history on the 15th of December, a day that which many did not envisage would be the first year of MK Party. And the MK is growing, it's a big party, it's the last hope of the people of the country, it's the only solution and the only viable option that the South Africans, based on the will of their circumstances and their demands, will deliver their plight and will deliver the future of their children and their great-grandchildren.
Sure. And how would you say the preparations have been building up to the 15th of December?
Well, we've been engaged in meetings on a regular, of course with various working streams, mobilization, transport, catering, accreditation, security, production, stage and sound, but everything including the issues of compliance. That indeed we have a compliant event, we are approved, we are going to be granted the rights to do road closures, put up posters, have a stage that has an engineering certificate, but everything that we've been planning and working on is compliant and has been approved. So the work that we've been doing, we've been fixing a moving car, but I can tell you from a position of authority and confidence that indeed we are going to fill Moses Mabhida, and it is indeed going to be a very successful event.
What message do you have for MK Party supporters and members ahead of this event?
Members of MK, remain steadfast, remain organized, remain resolute. MK is indeed going to deliver all the commitments that it has made, and members of MK must remain disciplined, must remain focused, that they are going to be the government of the future and nothing else, nothing more. This is what we are saying: one command, one mission. Happy first anniversary.
Thank you so much, Honorable Ntshingila.